So welcome again, and please feel free. This is not formal. It's very casual, like we're in your kitchen, okay? Take it as I came to your kitchen. It's coriander, which is very similar to parsley. So this is parsley, and that's cilantro. This goes really well with the fish because it's very sharp and it sort of balances it. We're doing two types of pastry. We're doing the traditional pie pastry, short crust pastry, and puff pastry, which is a bit tricky, but it's very easy. And then the various fillings. So wheat has a lot of protein, and the more protein, the tougher it is. So flour has more protein. It's best for bread and for donuts and cinnamon, anything that you have to knead. You need it to form the gluten, and the gluten formation is what makes it rise with the yeast. Turn up on your scale. Turn on. So 280 grams of flour, you pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and this is where the word comes, every 10 seconds you pause and stir so that you can redistribute the heat. It should come together and still fall apart. As the heat is melting the butter and the margarine and is cooking this one, there's water released, right? And the water creates steam and separates the layers, and that's what causes the flaky.